Am I singing here? This is a ditto copy file. Hello again and again. Ditto, ditto, ditto and repeat. This is my story of the day. Vocalize history lesson. This is my banjo. Banjo. Oops, did I vocalize that twice? Throwing a Pokeball. Ditto, Pokemon, go back to hiding. No time to shine. Get back in your Pokeball. How do I please? Oops, oops. What I meant to say was, how do I eat? 스푼가 아리마sen. Spoon is missing? Girl, over here, incoming meal. Hey, I would like to order 10 Mikayete dinnerware items. One of each. Here goes. Yippee here. It sparkles. Instead, accidental present day inbound. That is to say, you would say yes, wouldn't you? Thank you guys for listening. Ichibu fan wa nate ni kite kurete arigato. Arigato yongon pate. Thanks guys for listening. Well, that didn't go as planned. Google, well, can you just help me out here?
YouTube ファンはあなたに聞いてくれてありがとう。
Well, there it goes. Thank you for tuning in. More songs incoming.